Good morning and Sairam to all my students. I hope that you all are fine and you all are having good times at home studying. And you all must be engaged in some extra activities also, that you are trying to learn something new. And you're also helping your mother and father at home. So students, as you all know, we have started with a new lesson of grammar, that was transformation of sentences. And we have completed two parts of this chapter, that we learned what is sentence, then we learned that how many types of sentences are there, and after that we learned how to interchange those sentences. Like first we learned that how to interchange exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Then secondly we learn how to interchange the interrogative sentence into assertive sentences. And at last we learned, now we are going to learn that how to interchange the affirmative and negative sentences. As we all know that the assertive sentences are of two types. They can be affirmative, that is positive, or they can be negative. Now we have learned the first case in the last video. Now in this video we are going to learn two more other cases related to that interchange. So let us begin. So the second case to interchange the affirmative into negative is the case of degree of comparison. Degree of comparison means what? When we compare anything, when we compare any two thing or more than two thing, then we use certain degrees. If the thing is as same as the other one, so we say as good as tall as. Like for example, the first degree is positive. In positive degree, what we do? We do a normal comparison. Like if I say you are as tall as giraffe, we have just compared directly that you are just same like giraffe, your height is just same like giraffe. That is a positive comparison. If I do comparative, here I am comparing two things. Here I am saying that you are better than that student, Ram is better than Sham. That here I am doing comparison. Comparison, who is more better than whom? Who is worse than whom? Then the main thing which we have to remember here is that there are certain signs of this comparison. Like in positive you can see in the first thing, like here in the first you can see that as good as. As good as means here the degree is positive. Here the degree is positive. If the word is coming then, if then is used, then means comparative. We are using which degree? We are using comparative degree. Now the third is superlative. What is superlative? Here the thing is that we don't, or we are not here to compare that thing with the other. Like for example, Akbar was the best king. The best. That there is nothing in front of him. Nobody can be like Akbar. So that is means superlative. He is the highest degree. He is at the highest degree of comparison. Nobody can be compared with Akbar. So that is the superlative degree, which means the best. When the is used, then means it is a superlative degree of comparison. Now let me repeat once again. Degree of comparison means when we are using degrees to compare two or more things. The very first degree is that positive degree. What positive means? That we are doing a usual comparison, that you are as smart as the smartphone, you are as fast as the computer. So here we are doing a simple comparison between two things. But the second degree comes comparative, when we are trying to show that you are better than that person and you are worse than that student. Then come comparison, comparative, when one is shown the above and another one is given the down position. That is the comparative degree. Superlative means when something is at such a high degree that nobody can be compared to that. The best, the is used here. The means that nobody is like that person, like that thing. Then the is used. Now I hope you have understood what is degree of comparison. According to this degree of comparison, certain interchange of sentences are there. Let us see that also. The first case is that when a sentence is written in a positive comparative degree, then we have to change into a negative one. What we have to do? We have to add not plus the comparative word. Like if I am saying Ankit is as great as Shyam, that means it is positive sentence. How we come to know that it's a positive sentence? Because as great as is used. As great as is used. That means it's a positive sentence. Now to change it into a negative one, what we have to do? To change a positive sentence into negative, when the degree is positive here, what we have to do? We just have to add not. We will add not plus the comparative degree. Plus the comparative degree. What is the comparative degree of great? Greater than. Then what we will write? Shyam is not greater than Ankit. Shyam will come first and Ankit will go at last. Here you can see Ankit is at first, but we have interchanged the position. We have placed Ankit here, and now you can see that we have placed that Ankit has come to this position and Shyam has come to this position. We have changed the position of the subject and predicate. Now, to make a positive sentence, into negative, what we have to do? We have to add not plus the comparative word of as great as. What is the comparative word of as great as? The comparative is greater than. And what we have to do? We have to add not. And now this will become a negative sentence. This is the first case when we have to change a positive sentence into negative and the comparison is given is positive. And a positive degree of comparison will change into negative. How? We just have to add not plus comparative word of the word given. I hope you have understood this. Now the second case comes that here the sentence or the comparison is done by a comparative degree. To change the comparative into negative, what we have to do? We have to add not and the positive degree. What we have to do? We just have to do opposite of this, of the first thing. We just have to opposite this. Like here we have what we have did. The sentence was given in positive and we have to change into negative. But what we did? We add not plus we add comparative. Now in the second case also we will do the same. The comparative degree of comparison is given. What we will do? We will add not plus we will add positive degree. So let us see an example. The example says that Kareem is stronger than Abdul. Now how we come to know that the degree here is comparative? Because then is used. Stronger than. So that now here we understood that the degree is comparative. And now we have to change the sentence into negative. Now what we have to do? We just have to do one thing. First of all, Abdul, which is here at the last, will come first here and Kareem will come here. Now the word given here is stronger than. What we will do with this? We will change stronger into positive, that is as strong as, and we will add not. Now the sentence become Abdul is not as strong as Kareem. I hope you understand this also. It is very simple. If the comparison degree, the degree of comparison is given positive, that is as great as tall as happy as beautiful as, then to change that sentence into negative, we have to do only one thing. What we have to do? We just have to add not plus comparative degree of the word great, and the sentence will become into, or it will change into, negative sentence. And the same thing happened in the second case also. What had happened? If we see that the degree of comparison is the comparative one, how we will know the comparative degree is used? We will see that then is used here. What is used? Then is used here. Then we will come to know that we have to change into negative, so we have to add not plus the positive degree of the sentence, of the word. Now the last case is if the sentence in superlative degree. If the sentence is in superlative degree means Bharat was the strongest king. EST will be used. What will be used? EST will be used with the word. Whatever word is given plus that EST, and we will come to know that the sentence is in superlative degree. For example, if I say tall is the positive degree, first degree. If I say taller, then it's a comparative degree. But if I say tallest, then it will become superlative degree. Now you understood that when whatever word is given and we add EST at last of that word will become superlative word. Now let's see that how to change the superlative sentence into negative sentence. The first thing is that read the sentence carefully. The sentence is given, Bharat was the strongest king in India. Strongest is used, that means the sentence is in superlative degree. Now we have to change the sentence into negative sentence, and what we have to do? We just have to add no plus positive word of that word. Now see the sentence. Bharat was the strongest king in India. What we did? We added no and write no other king was the strongest as Bharat in India. No other king was as strong as Bharat in India. So the sentence becomes very easy that Bharat was the strongest king in India. We come to know that this sentence is superlative sentence because EST is used here. Now to change the sentence into negative sentence, what we have to do? We will add no plus the positive word, the positive degree of the word we will add. And what the sentence will become? The sentence will become no other king was as strong as Bharat in India. Now I hope you understood that no will be used first in the sentences. No will be used in the first position here in the sentences when we are changing superlative degree into positive degree. Now this is the second case. Now this was your second case. I hope you have understood the degree of comparison and how to change the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison, there are 3 degrees of comparison. The first degree says that it's a positive degree where we are making a usual comparison between two things. The second is comparative, where we are comparing one thing to other in a superior way, that you are better than that, you are worse than that. So one is being given a higher position and one is given the lower position in that comparison. The third is this superlative degree, where we say that no comparison is there. That person is being at the highest position and we cannot compare anything with that thing. Now there are three things when we change these degrees. The first is that the degree of comparison is given positive. Now we have to change that positive degree of comparison into a negative sentence. What we will do? We will just add not plus the positive degree we will remove, and we will add comparative degree of the word given in the sentence. This is the first case, and vice versa will happen in the second case also. What if comparative degree of comparison is given in a sentence? We will if we are changing the sentence into negative one, then what we have to do? We just have to remove the comparative degree. Like in the example, stronger than, we remove that word stronger than. And what is the positive degree of stronger? It becomes as strong as. And we will add not. The sentence become Abdul is not as strong as Kareem. Now the last one is that when the degree of comparison is superlative, and now we have to change that into a negative sentence. What we will do? We will see the sentence first. If it has the est, any word given plus est is added in that word, that means that is a superlative degree. Strongest king, we remove the word strongest. What we add? We add the positive degree of strongest, that is as strong as. And we will add no in that sentence. And always remember, the no will be added at the first position. When the sentence starts, the sentence will start with no. No other king was as strong as Bharat in India. Now I hope this is clear to you all. Let's move on to the last case, that is when a sentence is having two and two in a single sentence. Both are in a single sentence. So what we will do? We will remove that two with so and that. Now let's see that also, how we will do that. First example says that Ravi is too weak to walk. Now in place of TOO, we will write so. For example, Ravi is so weak. Now here what we did? We remove the word to. Here we remove the word to and we added here so. So instead of writing to here, what you will do? You will write so. And weak to walk. Now here instead of to, what we will add? That. What we will add? That. So what the sentence will become? Ravi is so weak that he cannot walk. So here it is written wrong, that it is weak. It is walk. It is walk, not weak. So the sentence will become, so always remember, in the third case, 2 and 2. This 2 and 2 will always come in a single sentence. And instead of writing 2, when we are changing the positive sentence into negative, instead of writing 2 in that sentence, what we will do? We will change that with so. We will change that with so. And 2 will be replaced by the word so, and 2 will be replaced by the word that with the negative word cannot. Okay, remember this. 2 will be replaced by so and 2 will be replaced by that. Ravi is too weak to walk. Ravi is so weak that he cannot walk. He is too young to go to school. He is so young that he cannot go to school. And this is very easy. Like instead of writing 2, we have to write 2 we have to write so, and instead of 2 we have to write that, cannot, that and cannot. And this is how you can change a positive sentence or affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So this was your case third, that you have to replace in the positive sentence you have to replace the word to and to with so and that. When we will add so and that with that word, with that we will add cannot also to make the sentence negative. Remember this, that we will add, here I am adding this, that we have to add cannot also in the given sentence so that it can become into a negative sentence. And this is how you can change the affirmative sentence into negative sentence with the given cases I have explained to you right now. And I hope that you have understood these cases. Try to solve your the exercise on your own. This is your home assignment also. Now this is your home assignment. Your homework is that you have to do the page number 39, 40 and 41 as your homework. Try to solve the question on your own. After seeing the video, try to solve certain example and then try to solve the exercises given in your book. And you don't have to do the work in your fair notebook, just do the work in your book only. I hope this is your home assignment which you have to do. And one more thing, this now with this your chapter transformation of sentences is finished, and we will start with a new chapter in the next video. Till that time, take care of yourself and study well at home. Thank you, student.